Oh, hi there! Welcome to my channel. I'm currently making my shopping list for the Dollar Tree. These are the items that I most use from the Dollar Tree for all crafting, and I thought that maybe you might want to know what they were too. Let's jump in and see what you need to be buying at Dollar Tree. Number one on my list is calendars. So you can pick up Dollar Tree calendars usually in August when their school supply section comes out, but I have noticed in the last year or two that they put them out in August, but they also put them out again towards the end of the year. I think that's just a way to let people have an extra chance to pick up those beloved and much anticipated calendars every year. So if you haven't gotten any, I did notice that my Dollar Tree had some out still right now in December. So run and get some calendars and you can create these really fun DIYs or come up with your own. Number two on my list is canvases, and there is a wide variety of canvases at Dollar Tree. They have small, medium, large. I have seen multiple people take canvases off and use the frames. There is a whole lot of things that you can do with these canvases, so definitely pick up canvases today. Here are a few of my favorite projects I've made over the years using canvases. Number three on my list is stickers, and there is a wide variety of stickers at the Dollar Tree. They have stickers for planners, they have stickers for scrapbooking, they have stickers that can be used in DIY crafts. They also have wall decals that are large stickers that you can use. They are a wide variety, they have a style for everyone. I definitely recommend having these on hand. Here are a few of my favorite projects using stickers. Number four is unfinished wood, and I'm going to say that unfinished wood at the Dollar Tree is probably my one favorite item that they have there. There is several different to choose from. They have shapes, they have just pieces of wood now, and there is so many ideas that you can come up with. If you have a Cricut or a silhouette, this is where you can really shine by using these blanks to create whatever you want out of your design studio. If you don't have one of those machines, there are plenty of options using stencils and stickers that you can create. Check out these ideas I've created in the past for some ideas, or come up with your own. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. Number five on my list is Dollar Tree signs. Now there are seasonal signs, there are everyday signs, there are unfinished wood signs, there are so many choices. I like to go in the seasonal shopping area because they have so many different sizes of signs, and that is where you're going to pick up something for any project that you have in mind. Here are a few of my favorite designs that I've made over the years using Dollar Tree signs on their own or changing them and using them for something else. Number Number 6 on my list is twine or rope. We're going to be looking here in this section of everyday items where there is the nautical rope. You can also look in the automotive for regular twine. Now, twine can be used for many different things, including hangers and things like that. You can also use the nautical rope for many different projects. I'm going to leave a few here for you, and you can decide if these are the projects you might want to recreate or come up with your own. Number 7 on my list is wreath frames, and as you can see here, they have so many options of wreath frames at the Dollar Tree. They are coming out with new shapes and sizes every day. In fact, this love infinity sign is a new one for me. Haven't seen that one. Let me know in the comments if you have that one at your store. But there are so many options as far as wreath making goes. My friend Nadia has a whole channel devoted to wreath making. Her channel is DIY with Nadia, and I will leave a link down in the description box for you to check out her channel. Here are a few of my favorite wreaths. Let me know which one is your favorite. Number 8 on my list is fabric, and I have to tell you, fabric is one of my all-time favorites. It probably should be at the top of my list, but I love to shop the Dollar Tree fabric. Now, when I was at this Dollar Tree today, they didn't have any seasonal fabric, but they almost always come up with seasonal fabric at the beginning of every season. I highly recommend shopping at that time. You can pick up some of the cutest fabric. Here are a few of my favorite projects using fabric. Let me know which one is your favorite. Number 9 on my list is books, and Dollar Tree has a wide selection of books you can pick. They have all kinds of different ones, pretty much for everyone. So if you're just hunting there to actually read the books, you could do that too. You could decorate with them, you can DIY with them. The sky is the limit. Here are a few of my favorite ideas on how to use the Dollar Tree books. So number 10 on my list is ribbon, and they have some of the most gorgeous ribbon at Dollar Tree. They have seasonal ribbon, they have everyday ribbon, they have burlap ribbon. There is just so much to choose from. I absolutely love to make shabby bows out of the ribbon from Dollar Tree. Here are a few of my favorite projects using Dollar Tree ribbon. We have made it to the end of my list. I hope you had a pen and paper ready and that you are going to run out to the Dollar Tree, get these supplies, and be ready for crafting inspiration. If you want to keep on crafting with me, check out these videos right here. And as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!